Welcome back to another video. Today is Thursday, the something of April. It's the first week of April. I was in the middle of putting on this earring, and then I was like, there's no way, you guys need to see these ones on my ears. So it's those ones that we got from the shopping that we did the other week, and we got them for free. I had a bunch of jewelry that I came with. You guys, look at just look at how stunning the earring is. I hope it's focusing. I hope you can see, like, I'm trying to get closer. I hope you can see like the sparkles. I really do love the sparkles. Hope you're able to see clearly. So I have another one in here. That's the one that I'm going to put on. So what I do with these earrings, if I have brand new earrings or even just like my own personal earrings, I always like a antiseptic. So yeah, a topical antiseptic cleanser liquid, which is the alcohol. It kills harmful bacteria or germs for external use only. So this one, I usually just get it from the dollar store because that's where it's more affordable. And so I get this, and then I get my cotton. I always keep some cotton rounds or cotton balls at home. So I get one of those, and then I just spray. And I wipe down. I try to wipe like this area over here. So I wipe down that part and make sure to remove like any cotton feathers. And then from there, I just do this. If I have earrings that I haven't worn in a while, that's what I do to them. Just to protect my ears. I am planning in the next couple of winters, one of them, I would love to get like a second piercing at the back here, just behind this one. But it's not like something urgent or anything that I need to do anytime soon. So it's snowing outside. I don't know if I mentioned that, and oh my goodness, I actually forgot how much I missed the snow, so I'm very happy about that. And anyway, I do have an appointment tonight, so I'll be going for that. And then right now I do plan to go out with the kids because the kids have no school today. So I'm planning for us to just take a little walk around our neighborhood and see and just feel the snow. And like the weather is actually not that bad right now, so it's been coming in waves, you know, the wind and the precipitation and all of that, and the snow as well. So I'm just so excited. It's the last snow of the year. I mean, it's, I don't know, for me, at least for me, it's a little bittersweet. Like, it's gonna be away for a really long time until next year. So yeah, we will go out with the girls just for a little walk, and then we'll be back home. So today it's giving super chilled vibes, you guys. I've just been really lounging and taking care of my children and spending time with them, and spending time with myself and working as well. I'm gonna apply the cocoa butter formula. That's what I'm just gonna use on my arms, just to moisturize my hands, because I was cooking. So I prepared like some Thai chicken, and also prepared some rice. So that was, I tasted, but I haven't had like my actual meal, because I just wanted to have like a cup of coffee first and some cookies. So that's what I'm just like finishing up right now. So the reason why we're here after this, after I'm done talking to you guys, because I still have a lot more time until it's nighttime, so I'm gonna go and pack the kids' clothes. I actually did that laundry during Easter. I ironed everything. I was so proud of myself. I was like, wow, I can't believe I actually did the kids' laundry and my laundry, like everybody's laundry, the spring laundry, and I was able to iron everything. And so I was very proud of myself. But then I just, you know, started to procrastinate, like packing the clothes and putting them in the closet. So that's what I'm going to do today. I've already separated my clothes. I've packed. I'm done. So that's what I was doing before I came here to film. And then the girls' clothes, I'm going to pack them. I'm gonna pack them soon after I'm done talking to you guys. So yeah, but honestly, super chilled vibes. Just chilling, just relaxing. So I just wanted to come on here and attempt to do like a little get ready with me, very little, using the beauty blenders that we bought the other day from Amazon. So if you don't remember those beauty blenders, I'll put a picture somewhere on the screen. So I'm going to attempt just to try it. I'm not doing a full face of makeup. We're just gonna find like a part of, you know, my face, maybe this side or maybe this one, and we'll just do a little, you know, foundation, maybe a little bit of concealer, and then we see how how like the beauty blender like blends, because for the longest time I've actually been using like a foundation. So this is my foundation brush that I've been using for a very long time, since the last time I was using beauty blenders, like back at home in my country. So I've just been using this one. I have a black one as well. It's a very dense short brush. You can probably tell by the bristles here. They're very thick, they're dense, they're together, and so that's the one that I've been using. It works well for me. I've been doing makeup for a very long time, so I know how to blend and how to get the entire product on my skin. However, brushes do tend to absorb a lot more product, so you know, that's why I kind of got a beauty blender, because I was like, let me alternate. And sometimes there are those moments where I just need a beauty blender. And also tip, I do wet my foundation brush just a little bit, just make it damp so that it spreads my product evenly on my skin. So yeah, let's get into that.